Guys, welcome to another video. You've got Mr. Everything English. How was English language paper 1? I hope, guys, the paper went well. I hope you smashed your exam and I hope you're ready for the last exam. Can you believe it, guys? We are here. We are now approaching the last exam in this year's GCSE English exam series. And that exam is on Monday. And that exam is English language paper 2. Guys, we can't let this exam ruin the work we've done before. One more is all we have to go. And I genuinely feel as though I'm sitting these exams with you guys. Because every time we do an exam, I'm okay, now perfect. Let's move on to the next one. And in my head, Monday is the day that we're all done. We are going to smash this last exam. The exam boards are not ready for the heat that we're going to bring. And all of you hopefully are going to walk out of that exam confident that whatever you do or whatever you did on that day will be your best attempt. Now, guys, we haven't got a lot of time. Today is Tuesday, the exam is on Monday. So within the next 5 or 6 days, I'm going to release videos covering everything you need for all the questions. And then on Sunday at 7 p.m, we will go live. One last time. Not one more time, but one last time. This will be our last live for the class of 2023. Quite sad when I think about it, but I'll get sad after Sunday, not right now. Okay, so guys, in this video, we are going to go over what I call the bones of the exam. Because if you don't know what the exam is about, if you don't know what marks, what questions, what times we are playing with, then everything else is pointless. Everything you do must be controlled, everything you do must be focused, and everything you do must have a purpose. So guys, in this video on the board, I'm going to go over the timings, the marks, the questions, and the overall structure, and importantly, what order I advise you guys to do the exam. Alright guys, let's switch to the board. Language paper 2, guys. The entire exam, as you all should be aware, is a 1 hour and 45-minute exam, and we have 80 marks that are up for grabs. Now, there are 3 ways that we are going to be dividing our exam. 1 hour 45 minutes, guys, and 80 marks are up for grabs. Initially, guys, I'm going to talk you through the paper just as it is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then I'm going to talk you through the order that I would like you all to do it on the day. So guys, we begin with question number 1. And question number 1 is worth 4 marks. 5 minutes is what they give us. And we have 8 statements for this question. And we must select 4. So guys, we are given 8 statements and we must select 4 that are either true or false. Guys, that is question number 1. And then we have question number 2. And this is the question where we are asked to write a summary. For the summary question, guys, we have 10 minutes and we are looking to write 2 paragraphs. And the structure that we are following is 2 P paragraphs, but not P-E-E, but P-E-I-E-I-E-I. That is the structure that we are looking to follow for this question. Again, when I release the video for this question, everything will become clearer. Then guys, we have question number 3, and this is the language question. This question is pretty much the same as paper 1, question number 2. However, in this question, guys, we have 12 marks up for grabs. I should have said, guys, over here, we have 8 marks up for grabs. We have 12 marks, guys, up for grabs over here, and we are spending 13 minutes on this question. And you are looking to produce 2 to 3 pretzel paragraphs. Now again, I will go through some model answers when we go over that in the video, and you will see the right amount of paragraphs that you need. That is question 1, guys. That is question 2. That is question number 3. Then, guys, we move on to question number 4. And question number 4, guys, for this exam is the comparing question. What are we comparing, guys? We are comparing methods. Now, for this question, we have 16 marks up for grabs, and we are spending 17 minutes on this particular question. And you are looking to produce up to 3, I call them pretty paragraphs, P-R-T-E, P-R-T-E. That is the structure, guys, of the paragraphs that we will be following. And this is section A of our exam complete. That is the reading section done. 10 minutes, 13 minutes, 17 minutes, and 5 minutes. Total of 45 minutes complete for section A. Now, wedged in our exam, guys, also is our reading and our planning time. Now, for our reading and planning, we are given 15 minutes. We have 2 sources that we are working between, and I always recommend that we read and we plan at the same time. Now, that is the reading and planning time complete. So if we add all these times up, that's 1 hour of your exam done. Then, guys, we have section B, and section B of our exam is question number 5. And question number 5, guys, is worth 40 marks, meaning it is 50% of the GCSE. And this question, guys, can be either writing a speech or a letter or an article or a blog and so on. Now, that is your entire exam. Sorry, guys, 40 marks. And we are spending 45 minutes on this section. Now, guys, what you see on the board is your entire exam done. That is everything that you need to know when it comes to English language paper 2. Now, one thing you're going to realize very quickly, this exam is not as straightforward as paper 1. Paper 1 was 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 45 minutes. This exam, there's a lot more different marks up for grabs. Every question has a different paragraph structure. Now, what order do I recommend you guys to do the exam? Nothing has changed, guys. Nothing has changed. I recommend that everyone does the exam, question 5, then you read and then you plan, and then you do question 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is the order that I recommend you guys to do the exam, because question 5 is the most important question. It's worth 50% of the entire paper, so I would get it in the bag as early as possible. And in the video, when I cover question number 5, I will show you 2 very important tricks to answer this question, and you don't even need to read or do anything with question 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you've done the exam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you're comfortable with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you crack on with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just my recommendation. Your entire, guys, English language paper 2 exam, 1 hour 45 minutes, summed up for you on the board. Now, guys, in tomorrow's video, we will be going over question 2 and question 3. On Thursday, we're going to go over question 4. Friday, question 5. Sunday, we hit the live stream. Peace.